If you've been on a healing voice path for a little while, you may have bumped into difficulties, challenges. You may have even gotten to points where you just gave up on your healing path. And this may have affected your ability to work with your voice. And not even thinking about the voice, just the healing path alone may have triggered all kinds of challenges, difficulties, trials, tribulations, you name it. So I want to share with you briefly my own experience on the healing path. So I began my healing process when I was about 16 years old. And what I noticed was that the healing path was cyclical, meaning I would do the things that were helping me: meditation, yoga, eating better, journaling, all the stuff that you're told to do, and I would make a lot of progress. And then something would happen to throw me off balance. I would become a little too triggered, a little too devastated by a loss, a little too challenged, and I would quit. I would quit all of the healing tools. And so I would have to start all the way from the beginning again once it finally got to a point where I would realize I have to get back on this journey. I can't keep going through life without working on my healing. And so many, many, many years went by, even decades. And finally, I got to a point where I had stopped and started so many times that a point came where I realized I have to keep going. That is the moment I decided that I was going to do something with my vocal method. And so if I don't know if that's any help to you, you can see that eventually things get easier and you realize your purpose in life. You realize what it is you're supposed to do. And if you can just stay focused on that purpose, things get easier. It doesn't fix everything though. Even though I'm happy with my choices and my life path, things still show up. And I personally believe that when you are on a healing path, it's a lifelong journey. This is one of the reasons why I utilize the hero's journey into my method. Because in every great story, the main character goes through challenges. And some challenges the main character overcomes with victory, and other times they fail. But no matter what happens, no matter what the outcome is of these challenges, they always learn something and they always keep going. That's why I always end my videos with keep going, because the world needs your unique voice. Because I understand that when you are on a healing path, it can feel so tempting to just quit at times. And I want to encourage you to keep going. And when it comes to your voice, a lot of people who come to my work have been doing the healing path for a really long time. And sometimes it feels like it's never going to end. And in my personal opinion, I think that's true. I don't think the healing path ever ends because while it may be possible, and in fact, I do believe it's possible to overcome your greatest woundings and to transmute them into some kind of a superpower. I do believe in that. I think that this life path is very much like a hero's journey that you return to over and over again. You make one amazing breakthrough, and then you return to the path and you accept a new set of challenges. And so you get back on the path. And then what happens when you overcome those challenges, you do it with the knowledge you gained from the previous journeys, the previous challenges that you overcame, where you learned new powers. And this manifests itself into the voice as well. So every single time you do something scary with your voice, you talk to that person who intimidates you, you carefully stand up to your boss in a dignified manner, you walk away from that toxic relationship, you will start to notice that your voice improves. It may feel like nothing is happening at first, but eventually, as your body and your mind get used to the new reality, the new awareness that you have gained from facing these challenges, things do begin to get easier. And then, of course, you will be faced with other challenges, but you'll be more equipped to handle them. So, for your journal prompt today, make a list of all the woundings that you have overcome. The things that used to bother you, the things that used to wake you up in the middle of the night that don't bother you anymore because you've come so far on your journey that you've overcome. And use this as an inspiration to keep going. The things that are bothering you still, a day will come where you look back and you realize that doesn't bother me anymore. And that's why you have to keep going because the world needs your unique voice. See you in the next one.